What up, gang? You'll notice that today I managed to spell thousandths correctly. Gold star for me. Teacher of the year. Get it out there right now. I spelled the word right. Woo! Sorry, my kids are like upstairs sleeping. I'm gonna like keep it under control here. Can't get too cray-cray, but I can get a little cray-cray. Anyway, Chapter 8, Lesson 1, Understanding Thousandths. Let's understand them already. Sound good? All right. Boom. I can't. Now, not me. I already know how to do this. This is your job to say that you can, but you would say I can't because, you're speaking with the first person. I can read and write thousandths in decimals and fractional forms. Yep. I can represent and interpret thousandths in models or place value charts. Yep. And I can write a fraction with the denominator 1,000. We're just going to say that's a comma there, not a decimal. That's a comma as a decimal. Wait. Fraction with denominator 1,000 as a decimal. Yeah. That's a comma. It's a comma. It's a comma. That's also a space between the 0 and the A. Got it? Jedi mind trick works every time. Khan Academy. Pause me. Watch them. Get your minds blown. All right, how was it? Did you scrape up the splattered brain matter from Yeah, good. Let's move on then now that you've cleaned up your mess. Oh, this funky little number line here. Okay. So the top number, so it's talking about how to show thousandths on a number line, which we're never going to, we'll do, but come on. But if you just look, from 0 to 1, that's your first number line. Then this next number line, from 0 to 1/10, what it's 1/10, it's trying to show you is that whole thing fits right there. Okay, and then this little bit right here, this 1/100th is right there, and now this whole bit fits right. Yeah, 1,000th is going to be 1/10 of 1/10. And 1/10 is going to be 1/10 of 1. Just keep dividing by 10. Read this. Divide by 10. All right, and then can you guys manage to remember that 1,000 is equivalent to 1,000th? Good. Let's mosey. So these models are showing thousandths cube. Here, this is 2,000ths, 3,000ths, 4,000ths. You can also show them in place value charts like this. 6,000ths would be 0 and 006. 8,000, 0 and 008. Oh, McCarthy, get out of the way. Right? Yeah, thousandths have 3 decimal places. Okay? Do this. Come back and check your work with me. All right, how'd y'all do? There's still decimal there. All right, we got it. We can handle it. We're surviving. Good. Your old pals got you. I'm going to take good care of you. Boy, find out how many cubes should be shaded to show each decimal. Are you kidding me? All right, well, yeah, 5, 1. Guess what? It's 5, and it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is why I don't have an art degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you go. Yeah, you guys have good art teachers. You wouldn't want me as an art teacher. No. All right, moving on. Copy and complete each place value chart to show the decimal. Really, I think they're asking us to copy. Are they asking us to copy the number or draw the number? So if they're asking to copy the number, which really isn't a brain thumper, but if they're asking to represent it with pictures, well then, let's see. You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counters. Honestly, not sure what they're looking for. My math book is like 2 feet away from my fingertips. I really just can't be bothered to get up and get it. So, either one of those is an accurate representation. Oh, 10, whoa, 10 thousandths. What's equivalent to, 10 thousandths? if I wrote that as a number, 0 and 10 thousandths is also going to equal 0 and 100th, right? Let's keep going. So basically what it's telling you is if you take, imagine these, we use these as place value chips. If you're at school, you might be able to use the virtual manipulatives, which is pretty rad. If you're not at school, for some reason we can't access it, which is totally not rad. Back in the olden times, not quite all the way back to when the whole world was black and white, but when the world was neon, in a time called the 1980s, kind of like my colors right here, a word that we used that meant something that was really cool was rad. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Anywho, what we're saying here is if you take 10 of these 1,000 chips and then move them over to the hundredths, then it represents 1/100th. If you have 10 of those 100th chips, like pennies, and you trade them in for a tenth, you get a dime. Really the same idea. Okay? Look at that. Practical knowledge. You get out of the way, you're not helpful. You get out of the way, you're not helpful. You stay right there, you're delightful. Express hundredths and thousandths as decimal, right? 300ths, 3,000ths as a decimal. So you've got nothing in your ones place, nothing in your tens place, a 3 in your hundredths place, a 3 in your thousandths place. That would be read as, well, I could just say 33 thousandths, right? Right. Let's be efficient here. We all got stuff to do today. Oh, okay. Well, let's see if this is what we just did. All right, you got it? Read through it. Pause. You can really pause me if you need to. Otherwise, let's keep on keeping on. Keep on. No, I'm not going to do it. Your teachers would love it, but no, I won't be singing. Keep on dancing on through. No, not going there. All right, find the decimals that the shaded part represent. Well, I know these itty bitty squares are thousands, and I can see there's 10, 20, 25 of them. So I'm going to pretty much just not assume. I'm going to deduct that whatever. I'm going to tell you that it's 25 thousandths. Do the next one. Pause me. All right, done. Move on. I see 1, 2, 3 longs with 5. That looks like 0 and 35 thousandths, except you need a 0 right there. Damn, Carthy. Oh, man, I'm falling apart. One of these days, I'm just going to have a complete and total meltdown on camera for you guys. It'll be glorious. Tell your friends about it. All right. Oh, hey, Mr. Cool Guy. Find the decimal that each place value chart represents. I think so. This is what numbers do each of these equal. Pause me. Don't hurt anything on this. Just get it done. All right, you ready? All right, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Sometimes I do things out of order. Don't judge. 199 thousandths. Oh, look at this tricky little monkey. 5, 10, 14, 0. So what you could do is take 10 of those, move them there, and make one of those. You have 14 thousandths. Same thing. Oh, you tricky little monkey. Why are you being so mischievous with us? Okay, so I have 13 thousandths, 8 hundredths, 3 tenths, and 1 whole, for crying out loud. Yeah, take 10 of these, put them over here, and you're going to get... Wait. You guys let me get away with that? Don't let me do that. 0 and 14 thousandths. If I can make those mistakes, I'm brilliant. You can make those mistakes. So slow down and be careful, because I'm clearly not doing it right now. All right. So we cross these out. We exchange 10 of these for a 1/100th. Again, if I take 10 of these pennies and move them over there, they become a dime. Same idea. 1 and 3 tenths, 9 hundredths, and 3 thousandths. Got it. Good. Oh my gosh, I'm not as fast on this lesson. Oh, hey, vocabulary. I hear that's cool. Pause me, watch this, and then we're going to move on. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, how'd that happen? I didn't know we were there. Those are the workbook pages that go with this lesson. Oh, it's workbook pages 1 and 2. You've got this nice new crispy workbook after you beat up that other one all school year, and you finally like, I hope you didn't recycle it. You might come back to chapter 7 at some point, but you're like, yeah, I'm done. Victory dance. I'm doing whatever the cool new dance is. Now you got a big, brand new thick workbook. You got to start all over. Too bad. That's it. Ask your teacher if you have questions, and good luck. Y'all got this. Peace.